Okay, crafters, today I'm going to show you how I made this from a cookie jar. It was a small cookie jar, a Santa hat, and different Santas. And I added one of the little tags that I made in the other video. So let's get started. Now for this one, I have this little cookie jar, candy jar that I got at the thrift store for $1 or $2. And I'm just going to use the base of it. And then I have this cut off Santa hat left over from when I did that mop head Santa last year. And so I'm going to try to make this so that it will fit around, and then use some of the excess to make a little part that's hanging down, like it sort of look like his hat's hanging down on the side. So I'm just running the hot glue along the inside, tuck it down. I've done that all the way around. Now I'm cutting off the excess. I'm going to leave that open for now till I decide how I'm going to make the little hat hang down. So I'm cutting some of the white off and some of the red off of the excess that was left over. And I'm just going to run a little bit of hot glue and roll this up. And then I'm going to hot glue and scrunch in to make like a little pom-pom. And since I looked at it, I can just glue these pieces down and then disguise it with my little red rolled up piece. You'll see here in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and seal that up. See, that covers it up nicely. And then my little pom-pom. And I'm going to seal up these little holes that are left over here. Okay, now I have my vase to make my little bouquet. And while that's finished, I'm going to go over here and make a couple of these little, kind of like little candies. Just taking pipe cleaners, circling them around, and putting some hot glue on them. And I want to make a couple of little coiled up pieces to stick in my bouquet as well. And for my bouquet, I have a lot of Santas, all different kinds of Santas. So I've picked a few out that I'm going to put on skewers. So I have got styrofoam down in my vase, and then I'm just going to put these little Santas on the skewers. And then I have some little plastic greenery that I'm going to glue on the skewers as well to kind of hide the skewers. I'm not sure I love that little cloth Christmas tree, but I put it there anyway. I wanted it to have a little something besides just Santas. So I'm putting my little squigglies in there, my little candy pieces. And there it is. I think this one came out cute as well, and I added one of those tags that I made in my last video hanging from the side that says believe. That's today's video, so I will see you on the next one. Bye.